Eleazar Harash. Contemplation of the Sublimely-Luminous Image. When I contemplate the sublimely-luminous image, I become absorbed, and finally I see nothing. With absorption, you should not imagine anything. You should not envisage anything. You should not think up anything, because you will limit the sublimely luminous image. I became absorbed with love, and finally I saw nothing. In this absolute not seeing, I touched his dazzling light, and a great admiration overflowed into me. And then I understood that this great admiration is a part of his sublimely luminous image. And I perceived that he admires everything. And I said to myself, here is the quality of the dazzling light. I understood within myself that admiration is a gatherer of light, and I came to my first conclusion. Admiration gathers the light of all the worlds, and this collected light self-ignites and reveals itself within itself. Along this way, I got closer and closer to the sublimely luminous image. Back in Atlantis, when I observed life in one absorbed way, I understood that I must admire everything, including evil. I perceived that he is the creator of the evil, and that this evil creates in secret and shapes the true good. And I came to my second conclusion. Evil is sacred. It works in secret, but if you admire it with love, its secret becomes apparent. And so, from the secret of this evil, the true sages and masters of Atlantis were born. Evil created the sublimely sacred good, which was part of his sublimely luminous image. Marvelous is the secret of evil. Only in the depths of love can the sacred intentions of evil be revealed. And I became more and more absorbed in the secret of the sublimely luminous image. And I did not see anything, and I did not expect anything, and he was being born within me. My eyes became weary from love, and I became more and more absorbed, and I lost the measure of years and times. And the sublimely luminous image said to me, I shall make you the first elder, and you shall be a throne at my feet, and you shall be a bridge between me and the worlds, and you shall be called Avahal, which means beyond all the boundlessnesses, or the one who lives beyond the boundlessness. Because your admiration was alike your love, and because your love had no end, you shall carry within yourself an admiration without end. Your love glimpsed my concealed intentions, and this is why you are Avahal, or the elder from the depths of the eternal peace. And teach my peoples the amazement which I have given you, and the one who admires everything, make them your son. And on this land, Atlantis, I shall give origin to the other 23 elders, And you shall know them, because they shall carry me in their eyes and in their words, and you shall be called the 24 elders. And you shall walk from glory into glory, because the sublimely luminous image shall guide you. Edition by Eleazar Harash, 6th of the 1st, 2023. The practice is implemented correctly when at the end you are astonished, amazed, relieved, lightened,